there. So congrats for having a great reputation.
Yeah,
Well,
thanks.
appreciate that, but I'm going to say we could not do it without the community, including the extended community here in Kansas City, because I mean, let's see, us three and a handful of other people kind of wrangle this thing together, but honestly, the production value that comes out of that is the community. It's the
Yeah.
groups of people that are adjacent to SecKC that put on all the hacking villages. It's the sponsors we have a handful that are year in, year out coming
Yep.
back, and because they understand the value of promoting this community and really getting people involved. I mean, that's kind of one of our big missions, is just getting more people involved, because we're so short, with talent. And anyway, so it's been fun, but
And
it definitely takes a village.
Yeah, most certainly. And I mean, we have some people that started off as volunteers that now they are 110% core to the mission.